What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. When considering Tailor Brands and LegalZoom for your business needs, it's essential to weigh the unique features and services each platform offers. Tailor Brands focuses on branding solution, while LegalZoom specializes in legal services. Let's dive into a comparison to help you make an informed decision tailored to your specific requirements. Let's start with Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is a platform that offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to help businesses launch and thrive. From designing a professional logo and website to create branded merchandise and managing finances, Tailor Brands provides a one-stop solution for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. In this review, we will explore the features and benefits of Tailor Brands and evaluate its effectiveness in helping businesses achieve their goals. Let's start with its features. Tailor Brands provides a service for forming an LLC online. This includes filing articles of organization, obtaining an EIN, and creating a customized operating agreement. The platform offers a service for filing for a trademark, which can help businesses protect their brand and logos. Tailor Brands provide a trademark search tool to ensure that the desired trademark is available and offers a trademark application service to help businesses file for their trademark. Tailor Brands helps businesses register for sales tax permits in the state where they have established nexus. This is an important step for businesses that sell products or services online, as it ensures that they are collecting and remitting the appropriate sales tax. The platform provides a logo maker to help businesses create a strong and relevant logo. Tailor Brands offers a variety of logo design templates as well as the ability to customize logos with different fonts, colors, and icons. Tailor Brands offers tools for registering a domain name, which can help businesses establish a strong online presence. The platform provides a domain search tool to help businesses find available domain names and offer a domain registration service to help businesses secure their desired domain. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. Some users may find that the level of customization available in certain services, such as logo design templates or website designs, may be somewhat limited compared to hiring a professional designer or developer. While Tailor Brands provides affordable solutions for various business needs, additional services such as trademark filing or domain registration may incur extra costs beyond the initial package price. As a platform that caters to a wide audience, Tailor Brands may not offer the same level of personalized support and guidance as working directly with specialized professionals in areas like legal filings or branding strategies. Now, let's talk about LegalZoom, the online legal services platform that promises accessible and affordable legal solutions for individuals and businesses alike. Let's start with the pros. LegalZoom's LLC formation service provides a crucial benefit: asset protection. By forming an LLC through LegalZoom, individuals can safeguard their personal assets from business liabilities. This means that in the event of legal action against the business, personal finances such as homes, savings, and investments are shielded from potential claims. This feature offers peace of mind to entrepreneurs and small business owners, allowing them to pursue their ventures with reduced risk and greater confidence. One of the key advantages of using LegalZoom's LLC formation service is the flexibility it offers in terms of taxation. Users have the option to choose how they want their LLC to be taxed, providing opportunities to optimize savings and minimize tax liability based on their specific financial situation. Whether opting for pass-through taxation as a sole proprietorship or partnership, or selecting to be taxed as corporation, LegalZoom empowers users to make informed decisions that align with their tax strategy and financial goals. Starting a business can be daunting, but LegalZoom aims to simplify the process by providing expert guidance every step of the way. Their LLC formation service includes access to experienced professionals who can offer personalized advice and assistance throughout the formation process. Additionally, LegalZoom handles compliance filings for the first year of LLC formation, ensuring that users remain compliant with the legal requirements and regulations. This feature makes the process of starting a business entity more manageable and less intimidating, especially for individuals who may be new to entrepreneurship. While LegalZoom offers a range of valuable services, users should be aware that add-ons can significantly increase costs. While the base package may seem affordable, additional features such as expedited processing or legal consultation can quickly add up, potentially surpassing initial budget expectations. Users should carefully evaluate their needs and budget constraints to avoid unexpected expenses when utilizing LegalZoom services. Another potential drawback of using LegalZoom is the variability in turnaround times. The time it takes to complete services can vary depending on the user's state or residence and the specific package they've purchased. While some states may have efficient processing times, others may experience delays due to regulatory requirements or workload. Additionally, users opting for more comprehensive packages or additional services may experience longer processing times. This lack of uniformity in turnaround times could pose challenge for users who require expedited service or have time-sensitive legal needs. In conclusion, both Tailor Brands and LegalZoom offer valuable services tailored to different aspects of business needs. Tailor Brands excels in branding solutions, while LegalZoom specializes in legal services. By understanding the strengths of each platform and aligning them with your specific requirements, you can make a well-informed decision that supports the growth and success of your business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.